Hi Draw So Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw the shark emoji, so let's get started. To draw this awesome shark, let's first start by drawing its eye. So let's come right here and draw a circle. And I'm going to give it a highlight right here in the corner with another circle. And I'm going to shade this all in until the bottom right here. So just going to give it a little curve, like my Draw So Cute eye. But instead of the lines, I'm going to put in some color. So just like my dolphin that I drew. And now that we have that little curve in there, I'm going to come in here really quickly with a blue color pencil. And I'm just going to shade this all in. And using my blue color pencil, I'm just going to put in some more blue right here to try to blend it all in from the black to the blue. Just to give our eye some color. There. So just at the bottom, and just push harder to blend in the black and the blue. And leaving the bottom right here the lightest. There. So now our shark has a beautiful blue eyes. And then from there, let's go ahead and we start to draw the snout area and the head. So I'm going to come to the center of this circle and I'm going to go straight up nice and high, so say about right here. And I'm going to come down, same thing, so right in the center, come down about right here. I'm just giving myself 2 points, about the same distance away. So this is just my guide when I start to draw. Maybe the top is just a little bit higher, but it's about the same. Then from there, I'm going to come right here underneath this eye. Using this as my guide, I'm going to come down with a curve, and this is going to go up. So I'm just drawing that curve right under the eye. And let's bring this down, and then right here, we're going to bring it down. So I'm starting to draw the snout. I know it looks really weird, right? So then this part is going to come down, but it's all going to come together. So I'm just drawing this big curve right underneath the eye is my first curve right here. And then I'm going to bring this down. I'm going to meet about right here at this angle. So let's bring this down. Using my eye as my guide at that angle. Everything is coming to meet together. And about right here, it's going to be a little bit sharper curve and connect for the snout of our shark. And connect there. So come back and adjust it however you need. So then from there, now that I have this curve in, this is the mouth area, I'm going to come right here and draw a curve that comes back up and tapers in. There, so it's starting to look like a shark now, right? And then right here, I'm going to continue, imagine this continuing. And I'm just going to draw a curve out. And this part's going to go up. There. So before I finish, let's the rest of the body, let's come over here. I'm just going to draw a soft curve over the eye. And then let's give this shark some teeth. So I'm going to come right here and just zigzag across. And then the bottom. There. Okay, so then now that we have that in, let's start to draw the body. So we're going to get smaller as we come down. So just like the dolphin that I drew, we're just going to be drawing this big curve, and it's going to taper together for the tail and get thinner as we come down. So let's go back and forth. So say about right here, I'm going to start to come down. So it's nice and thick about right here, and then now that we have about here, I'm going to bring this down to give our shark a curve. So it's huge head. And let's bring this in. Just come back and forth. So notice we're just coming down. But before I finish this, because I'm using a Sharpie, I'm going to stop about right here to draw the pectoral fin. So using this as a curve, so I'm just imagining this whole shark is at a curve in the center area about, say, right here. I'm going to give myself a point, so just about right here, and I'll start this fin. So I'm going to come right here, draw a curve out. So it's going to pass this curve. So that's why I want to draw it first. And right here, I'm going to taper it in and connect. There. And then let's continue our curve down. Imagine it coming through. And once again, getting thinner and connecting. There. I think the hardest part is just these two areas right here, just getting that curve. Definitely make any adjustments you need. So let's come down here. Now that we know where our curve is going, we can come about right here, and it's going to get nice and thin for our tail area. Then about right there, I'm going to start the tail. So let's bring this down and out, and let's go out right here. Nice big tail, and about right there, round off the tip and connect. There. Okay, so the hardest part is done, right? Just getting this shape in. Then from there, let's see, now that we have this fin in, I'm just going to come here and draw lightly a line to give this fin some volume. Then let's draw the dorsal fin, the most important fin that a shark has, right? So say about right here. I'm going to start and draw a nice big dorsal fin. So about right here. Round off the tip and bring it in. There. And then the other side, so the other side of this fin, the pectoral fin, the other one, be about right here. So yes, I definitely Googled the parts of a shark so I know what I am drawing here. And the other fin there on the other side. Then we need to draw some pelvic fins that we're going to be able to see about right here near the tail. So just small curve and another one right here. And let's see, and most importantly, we also need to draw the gills, right? So we're going to run some gills, 3 curves right in this area. So I'll start one about right here, nice and high and big. And I'm going to go curve right here, another one, and one more. And so notice I'm kind of bringing them together when I draw this curve. And I'll just go ahead and thicken this up. There. So we have our fins in, and, our gills in, and I'm going to go ahead and draw this curve right here because there's different color, the belly area and the top part. And since this side is more prominent, I'll draw a line here. But when I'm coloring, I'll make this part darker, but I don't want to draw in a black line. I think it's a little bit too harsh, so I'll just leave it for now. Make this a little bit thicker now that I'm looking at it. And that is pretty much it. I really hope you love how this shark turned out and that I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw Secret videos. See you later.